It's Vlogmas 2019. Hey, 2019. It's Vlogmas 2019. Sit back, enjoy. Hey, it's day number 10 of Vlogmas. 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 Hey, Kareful Keith back in this. Guys, today we are doing red and green breakfast. So first we're gonna start off with making my good old coffee. I have French vanilla and hazelnut. Hope you guys are doing pretty good today. I'm doing amazing. I am doing pretty good. Like I said, hopefully you guys are doing pretty good too. Oh, what's this? It's just my part of my merch. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about that. It's just a part of my merch. Gonna set all this over to the side. So you guys, we have green and red eggs. We also have green and red grits. And we have, I tried to do a green and a red veggie breakfast sausage. It didn't quite work out too good. And I also have the green and red waffle. You know what? I should do this as a part of my thumbnail, huh? All right, that's gonna do it. Hope you guys are doing pretty good today. Hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. No. Who put this on here? Did somebody come to my house when I was going to work? Hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas. I am. Yes, I like a lot of syrup. Oh well. And this is the best kind of syrup. You know, granted, this is my opinion, but this is the best kind of syrup ever, you guys. It is. It is. You mean to tell me you gonna put syrup on the waffle and you gonna put it on the eggs? Yep, sure is. Yep, all that. Yep. Let's dig in, y'all. I know this. I know it looks horrible. I get it. I get it. Yeah. Oh well. Let's see what these green and red grits taste like. It kind of tastes like grits. Here's supposed to be a green sausage. It tastes green. It does. See what these eggs, these red and green eggs taste like. Let's get to cutting on this waffle, y'all. I had thought about showing you guys how I mixed up the mix for this, but to be honest with you, regarding this waffle, y'all, I just kind of did a little bit of this. This is what it looks like to make sure, so you can know that it's red through and through. I just kind of like did a little bit of this, a little bit of that, you know, so I didn't measure nothing. I didn't, because I only needed one waffle, so I just kind of eyeballed everything I did. But I will say this. I did make the waffle mix from scratch. I did. Yeah. Yep, I did. This is kind of interesting and cool, right? So, this is not really gonna be like a challenge. you know, but I'm gonna call some people out. I would love to see other people do red and green breakfast.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I ain't gonna be no good when this is over. Nope. I was about like, why is it so black? We can't see it. And he had a black cup? Nope. I ain't gonna hold y'all too long, 'cause I don't know what y'all doing, but I just wanted to come on, eat some red and green breakfast items, and tell y'all I want to see some other people eat some red and green breakfast items. Yep. You know what? I can at least tell you this much regarding the recipe for the waffles. I use flour, I use salt, I use 1 egg, but I split it in 2, so half of an egg. I use sugar, and I use vegetable oil. Yep. That's the recipe. You know, some of y'all probably like, it looks so gross. But it tastes so good. Let's eat one of these green waffles. Probably should have put some more food coloring in the waffle, but that's okay. It still came out green and green and green as ever, so. Yeah, I'm so hungry. Man, I'm probably like, damn. He ain't even really talking. Not for real, for real. Y'all, I'm hungry. I woke up this morning and was already hungry. I said, let's cook the Kareful. Let's cook the Kareful K some red and green breakfast. That's good. Gassy. It's gonna turn back black, so I have to refill it. It's activated by heat. This is supposed to be the red side. With the plates clacking together like that. Okay. I can tell y'all some of the people off the top of my head who I want to see do this. Y'all ready? DC, Koolaid, and Lisa. Yep, love to say. I can hear Lisa now. No, I ain't doing that. Green? No. 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 I can hear Lisa now. I'm not gonna do right. So y'all first up to be called out. Okay, let's see. Cool. Let's go with the Epic Empire. Everybody. Love to see y'all sitting down doing a mukbang with some green and a red breakfast. Yep. Let's see. Blvd. Would love to see you do this also. Let's see who else. Criss Kay. UNCut. JazzNOtis. The I Love Lisa Michelle show. I'm gonna throw this out there, and I mean, I don't know what's gonna happen, but I would love to see the Try Guys do this. I would. They always trying though. My Memphians, okay. Tasty Mafia. Nishia and Trey, Richworld. LLIPS. I think that's it, y'all. Yeah. I did say UNCut, right? Yeah. Yeah. Put all this on the same plate. Yeah, this breakfast is really good. You know what I'm gonna do after this is over? Go to sleep. Yeah. It's gonna be nap time. Because I done already cleaned up. I was cleaning as I was going, for the most part. So, the only thing I gotta really do is clean the skillet that I use for the eggs and a little pot that I had the grits in. Outside of that, everything else is already back clean. Taste the mukbang eats. Love to see you do this. Tosh Time. Yeah, what? Love to see you do this. The grits were so buttery. Breakfast is done, y'all. Breakfast is done, and I did not make a mess. Look at me. Oh. My breakfasts are kind of weak during Vlogmas. I'm not really sure what's going on with that, but There we go. Cassie. So like I said, this is not, I don't know what this is. I just think this will be something fun to kind of do a creative video about. So I'm not gonna really say it's a, well, yes it is. This is a challenge, but it's no time limit. The objective just is to eat red and green breakfast items. I mean, everybody eats different items. Like I had eggs, waffle, grits, and sausage. So everybody that I called out, it'd be really fun to see you guys do this because it's kind of weird. It kind of messes with your mind a little bit. It's kind of like, I'm not supposed to be eating green or red eggs. So, but the taste is still the same. The color is just different. So like I said, I think this would be something fun to incorporate into Vlogmas. So I don't know what I'm gonna title it quite yet. I just know it's gonna be called Mukbang something. When you guys see it, hopefully you guys do it, and I can't wait to watch. See you tomorrow with another video of Vlogmas. Peace. I forgot, I need to add a couple more names. Thick and Meaty and Lelani's Kitchen. I know y'all probably like, oh, we thought we almost made it through. He didn't call our names. Nope, I did. There you go. That's my gift. You're welcome.